Example, evaluate integration of dx upon 4 plus 5 cos x. Now step 1 is what? We have to replace cos x by dx upon 4 plus 5. Now cos x with 1 minus tan square x by 2 upon 1 plus tan square x by 2. First part, you can write it. Cos x is equal to 1 minus tan square x by 2 upon 1 plus tan square x by 2. Now first step was to simplify this. Now this becomes integration of 1 plus tan square x by 2 dx and 4 1 plus tan square x by 2 plus 5 1 minus tan square x by 2. Then we wrote it there, replace 1 plus tan square x by 2 with secant square x by 2 dx upon, now this becomes 9 minus tan square x by 2. Okay. Now let tan x by 2 is equal to t, differentiating with respect to x, we are getting secant square x by 2 dx is equal to 2 dt. Now the question converts to integration of 2 dt upon 3 square minus t square. Okay. So we are having now integration for dt upon t square, 3 square minus t square. Now which formula we have used for the integration of dx upon, it is now a square minus x square. What it was? Integration of a square minus x square, it was 1 upon 2a log a plus x upon a minus x plus c. So we are going to use this formula now. Now it becomes, this becomes now 2 with 1 upon 2 into 3 log mod of 3 plus t upon 3 minus t plus c. Okay. So finally what we are having, 1 upon 3 log 3 plus tan x by 2 upon 3 minus tan x by 2 plus c, and this is the answer. Okay, so like this we have to proceed.